If you were injured in a construction site accident, can you file a third-party personal injury lawsuit? Stick around and watch this video to the end, and I'll give you important, practical information about your legal rights and how you can make sure that the insurance company doesn't take advantage of you. I'm attorney John Sheehan, a Massachusetts workers' comp and construction site accident attorney. For over 25 years, I've helped thousands of injured workers receive compensation for construction site accidents. In this video, I'm going to explain the process of filing a third-party personal injury lawsuit if you've been injured in a construction site accident. Please click the subscribe and bell icon below to make sure that you receive notifications to watch my future videos. Now, if you've been injured in a construction site accident, you may be able to file a third-party personal injury lawsuit if your accident was caused by some other person or company's negligence who is not part of your employer's company. In construction site accidents, the most common third parties are the general contractor or another subcontractor, and in many cases both the general contractor and a subcontractor may have been careless and negligent by creating the unsafe condition that caused the construction site accident. Under OSHA health and safety regulations for the construction industry, the general contractor has a non-delegable duty for safety for all workers on the construction site. In many construction site accidents, OSHA will be notified and investigate the accident to determine what OSHA safety regulations were violated and which contractor was responsible. Some of the most common safety hazards that result in construction site accidents involve lack of fall protection, scaffolds, ladders, machine guarding, and personal protective equipment. Also, many construction site accidents are caused by poor housekeeping on the job site, where workers are exposed to slip, trip, and fall accidents. If you have a question about construction site accidents, please post your question in the comments below. Other common safety hazards on a construction job site are uncovered, unguarded holes in the flooring of the building under construction. A worker could fall through the hole and suffer a severe head injury that in some cases could be fatal. In a third-party lawsuit, a worker injured in a construction site accident can receive additional compensation that is not covered by workers' comp. This would include compensation for pain and suffering, scarring or disfigurement that's not always covered by workers' comp, loss of consortium compensation for the injured worker's spouse and dependent children, loss of enjoyment of life, and impairment to earning capacity. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll give you 3 bonus tips that may help you if you've been injured in a construction site accident. If you would like more information about workers' compensation and construction site accidents, then hit the subscribe button and bell icon below. And if you'd like to schedule a free call to discuss your workers' comp or construction site accident case, please call me or email me directly. My telephone number and email address are in the description below. Now, here are the 3 bonus tips that will help you if you've been injured in a construction site accident. Tip number 1, report the accident to your employer and supervisor right away and make sure that they file an accident report. Tip number 2, get medical attention right away. Go to the emergency room and follow up with your doctor. Tip number 3, take photographs of the accident scene and any unsafe condition that contributed to your accident. Also, take photographs of any signs at the entrance of the construction job site, listing the names of the general contractor and any other contractors or companies responsible for managing the construction project. Now you know more about construction site accidents and third-party personal injury lawsuits. However, there's one more thing that you should do. We can call this an extra bonus. Contact an experienced construction site accident lawyer as soon as possible. In order to get you full compensation in a third-party personal injury lawsuit, your lawyer has to conduct an investigation, interview witnesses, identify all the potential third parties who may be at fault for your accident. You may be hurting your legal rights by not contacting an experienced construction site accident lawyer right away. If you found the information in this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons and call or email me if you'd like to discuss your matter with me directly.